Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. In last video we discussed is a screw bar. So today we are going to discuss it is a clamping plate, and the clamping plate you can see there is a two hole, and we will discuss in this video. Okay, so why it is not the 7 dia is not 7 which we discussed, because the screw size is given it is 13, and similarly here also dia it is 13, not it is a dia 7. There is a one minor correction only. So now I'll draw it is a this part new, and let's see the file. It is clamping plate, change the tool units, it is millimeter. I shall sketch the plane. So now here is, you can see this, it is 32 by 32. How to identify 32? Because this is 8 means this is 8, so it will become distance is 32. So 32 by 32 is a square, okay, by rectangular by center point. So I'll change the dimension 32 by 32, and this center point is 0, similar to 0. So I'll make it as a center point. Finish the sketch and extrude. It is 7 mm. Next I select the plane and I'll mark the 2 points. You can see that there are 2 points, distance is 8, okay, and between is 16. Okay, so this distance is 8 and this distance is 16, and automatically this distance become 8. Finish the sketch, take the whole command. Now in the whole command, so you have to see this, the what type of it is a counter sink. So select the counter sink, and this dimension is given 13 according to the diagram. The angle is given, okay, it is 60, V60, and total depth is given, it is 7, and this dia is, we know that this diameter, this one, okay, 6 mm. Okay, and press. Okay, now you can see in wireframe mode. So this is a diagram. Okay, save it. Next I will convert it to the solid modeling. Now from here I will change the material. You know that is a material, that is a mild steel. Thank you for watching. In next class we are going to discuss the remaining.